Hey everyone, this is Nilesh and I will be presenting a Python code called SortPy which runs and sorts the files as per their types. For example, let's say I am a musician and I wish to sort my messy folder which has my audio files and images, and I wish to sort that out so that I don't have a hard time in the near future. Let's move into the demonstration. So I will run the Python code sort.py. Okay, so I don't want to sort the current file, so I'll say no. I will enter the location of the folder which I want to sort. So I'll enter the folder location, and now as I hit enter, it will sort all the files within the folders as per its types. You can see it on the right hand side of the window, and that's it for all. Thank you so much for watching.